allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the emergency alert system required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This includes the statewide tornado drill and test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding GH listening area. Today, sunny, 54 degrees, highs in the upper 70s, 42. Humidity was 64%. Winds were south except lows in the upper 50s.
Somebody is still running. Which one is that? Oh, geez. So next refresh you can look at this camera note. So next refresh you can see WX.